Welcome to my channel. This is Mario Lord, also known as Real Estate Guru PK. On this channel, we talk about my real estate endeavors. We also have the top real estate producers and the top entrepreneurs in the country. Be sure to click the link below with Justin P with his Support Black Colleges marketing course. Also with Jason White's Crack the Code affiliate link, click that below as well. Also to support the channel, Webull, M1 Finance, Chase, Discover, Robinhood, and Public, a stock trading app. We hope you enjoyed this episode. This is Real Estate Guru PK signing out. We finally closed on this property. It just took like a flyer. He called me. He said that he liked my flyer because it was like real colorful. Over all the letters and everything. It's my 7th rental property, 8 if you count my Airbnb. This is gonna be like a quick month and a half max, hopefully a month. We're gonna do the roof Wednesday. Today's Monday. Tuesday we're gonna do the demo. We're gonna do the outside, and then Thursday and Friday we're doing electrical and the plumbing. And I think by the weekend we'll probably be doing the sheetrock, and I'm gonna paint, and then we're gonna start doing the tile, and then we're gonna refinish the floors, and we're gonna start doing the cabinets, and then we should be done. No max in probably like I want to say a month. It's gonna be a quick month. If y'all like what I'm doing, y'all hit me in my inbox. See what we can do about mentorship. Y'all have a nice day. Yesterday, it had like a little roof, whatever that was. That was gonna cost too much, so we just got rid of that. I spoke to my AC guy yesterday. He's in Florida. He's gonna fix this up probably next week. I need like 10 more squares of the shingles. They on their way. The roof is gonna be done today. I'm gonna take y'all inside real quick.
Hey, so my name is Douglas Alvarez. I call myself Mr. Remodeling, and we're fixing this house for Mario. Well, actually, right now we're sanding this house. A couple repairs here and there, not too much, but we're getting it there. Today's our 2nd day working over here. So what we're gonna do is sand everything from the front and the side and the back, just to get it right. Little repairs didn't got too much expensive, but we're getting it there. We're doing the roof also right now. The roof, it should be done today, the roof. We had to do a lot of scrape on this side. Well, on the other side, we had to do a lot of scraping. So we still haven't decided what kind of color that we're gonna get, but we still, maybe by Saturday, Sunday, it'll be done on the painting and stuff like that.
As you can see, there's carpet everywhere. It's original wood. We about to sand it down. I'm about to take off the carpet out in a minute. The lights are on. Give y'all some quick tips real quick of flipping in the hood or refinancing in the hood. Hire a lot of minorities because they see other minorities looking on the property, they want to mess with you. Or if you're working on a property, they more or less might not mess with you, they might not break in and steal your stuff. But also don't leave any of your stuff for them to steal, and you'll be all right. If you're gonna do the roof, you're gonna do the outside, make sure they worked on it and they don't leave it in the garage or leave it inside the house. Y'all have a nice day. Okay, so I put like I bought the house for 63,000. It got like the ARV like 180, so that's like 100, almost 120,000 of equity. I think I put like give or take 35,000 into it, so that's 80. It's 88. So that's 88,000. Still got 100, almost 100,000 equity. After the refinance, they're gonna give me like I think 100,000 back. I think after they take out closing, I'm gonna get like 90 something to 100. So let's say they give me 100,000. I'm all in at 88. So I make $12,000 after the refinance. I already got the house rented out for 1,500. I get a $1,500 deposit and 1,500 month of rent. And then the mortgage is gonna be like 850, give or take. So I'm gonna be making like almost 700, like 650. So that's what we doing. We getting these houses with a lot of equity in Houston, Texas, South Park City side, Harlem Clark, Southwest side, and we just gonna keep on going. This is my 8th rental property. I got 3 more in the contract. Y'all keep following me on my journey. I'm trying to get like at least 12 by the end of the year and probably like 20 in the next probably couple of years. Y'all have a nice day.